So I just want to do a quick kind of unboxing, and then I'm gonna show you these glasses on and everything it comes with. So we have a quick tool there, a cleaning cloth. The packaging is really, really nice. I really especially like the holder for these glasses is really, really like sleek looking. You can see it has very nice detailing on the side. Just kind of a nice different look, and this very, very cool strap. So let's take them out and show you them on. So very cool, fun design. This is the pink and tortoiseshell. Very cool gradient there, and I'm going to show you them on as well. All right, so I was sent these to kind of give you an unboxing and a review of them. These are probably some of the most stylish reading glasses that I have actually seen. The pink detailing is super cute, and then they have this really nice gradient of the tortoiseshell right there, and you can see I'll put them on. So they have kind of a bigger look to them, but not crazy huge. And then you have your kind of like bifocal-esque reading lenses down here. Mine is just the 1x, just for a little bit there. But it's really, really nice because out the front, you're clear, just kind of like cute sunglasses. And then if you need a little help with reading, you just kind of gaze down. So really, really good design. I like the slightly warm tint to it, but it's not overly orange or anything like that. And I just think they're very cute. If you're gonna have like a reading glasses, these are ones that don't look like it at all. So super cute.